Based on analysis of global defense publications and technical evaluations, here are the top 10 fighter jets of 2025, ranked by technological specifications, combat capabilities, and operational impact. Number 1, F-35 Lightning II. F-35 stands as the most significant combat aircraft program of 21st century, merely for its advanced capabilities and its international participations. Number 2, Chengdu J-20 Mighty Dragon. J-20 is Chinese fifth-generation fighter aircraft. The J-20 employs a more selective approach to low observability, which emphasis on frontal aspect still to enable long-range penetration of enemy air defense networks. Number 3, Lockheed Martin F-22 Raptor. F-22 is first fifth-generation fighter aircraft in the world. America never exported F-22 aircraft to any country. Number 4, Sukhoi Su-57. The Sukhoi Su-57 is Russia's answer to fifth-generation fighter requirements. Its airframe features carefully shaped leading and trailing edges, radar-absorbent materials, and internal weapon base. These power plants enable the Su-57 to achieve a speed of Mach 2. Number 5, Shenyang J-35. J-35 is second Chinese fifth-generation fighter aircraft. The aircraft incorporates internal weapons base to preserve stealth character and uses advanced composite materials to reduce weight and radar signature. J-35 can reach speeds of Mach 1.8 and achieve super cruise capability. The cost of a J-35 is nearly $70 million. Number 6, Kai KF-21. KF-21 has been developed by South Korea. KF-21 is 4.5th generation fighter aircraft. It has maximum speed of Mach 1.8. Number 7, Boeing F1. Number 7, Boeing F-15EX Eagle II. F-15EX represents the ultimate evolution of F-15 legendary platform, thoroughly modernized to remain relevant against emerging threats. The F-15EX reaches Mach 2.5. A single F-15EX cost is around $87 million. Number 8, Dassault Rafale. The Dassault Rafale represents France's determination to maintain an independent defense industrial base capable of producing world-class military aircraft. Powered by two engines, the Rafale achieves a speed of Mach 1.8. A single Rafale aircraft costs around $100 million. Number 9, Eurofighter Typhoon. The Eurofighter Typhoon embodies European defense cooperation jointly developed by United Kingdom, Germany, Italy, and Spain. At approximately $90 million per unit, much higher than any other 4.5th generation aircraft. Number 10, Sukhoi Su-35. The Su-35 represents the pinnacle of non-stealth Russian fighter technology through remarkable aerodynamic performance. The aircraft has top speed of Mach 2.25 while maintaining stability at even extremely high angles of attack.